Right, everybody, this is a padlock that I got off eBay. This actually arrived on Friday. It's Monday now, but I haven't really had time to do it. So here we are. It's a Yale, pretty sure. Whoa, holy shit. It's brand new in packaging, but looks like it's been sitting about for a while. There we are. Well, obviously we didn't need a knife to open it. Okay. This is probably similar idea to the YE1 that I did in my last video. I was actually expecting this to be a bit bigger, but never mind. Let's see, I'll probably go in with a short hook because that keyway is quite small. Okay, I've got binding just here. Oh, we've got a false set, alright. So we've actually got spools in this one, which is good. Oh, for fuck's sake. That's it open. That wasn't very good. So look at the bitting on it. Holy Christ. There's the bitting there. I think I might have actually got a couple of pins at the same time whenever I was doing that. Because I got a set on pin like 3. No, it was like 4, then 2. And then I got a false set fucking somewhere, and then I just went straight to the back and that pin went last. So yeah, there we go. That will most likely rake open as well. So we look and see. Most likely don't even need a city rake for that. I could probably just do that with half diamond. So if we go in with half diamond just like that. Not too sure actually, maybe it won't. Well, there we go. It won't rake, so that's something at least. Just like you see, working with the actual key. There we go. So yeah, that was a bit easier than I was expecting, but never mind. Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna get another one in the post the next couple of days, so hopefully that one will be a bit more of a challenge. All right, cheers.